So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix a problem with your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro where you've forgotten your password, PIN, or pattern and you're locked out of your phone. Okay, so it could be a PIN, fingerprint, password, or pattern that you've maybe forgotten, or for some reason you're not able to get into your phone. Now, the solution for this involves a hard factory reset, and that means all your data is going to be wiped out of this phone. So all your photos and videos are going to be cleared. Anything that's not backed up to the cloud is going to get lost. Okay, so you should know that before you start this process, because we're going to perform a hard reset. Okay, so here's the process. Switch off your phone, because fortunately, unlike other phones, with the Pixel, you're able to switch it off without unlocking. Okay, so press the volume up plus side key. So press and hold simultaneously, and you can see the power menu appears, and you can power off the device. Okay, so you can see it's shut down. Okay, now with the phone shut down, you want to press and hold the power plus volume down to boot it up into the menus, the main menu. Okay, so power or side key plus volume down, press and hold, and you can see it goes into fast boot mode. And in fast boot mode, you're able to scroll using the volume rockers. So volume down to scroll down, volume up to scroll up. Okay, and then this one to select. So let's scroll and look for, we're checking here, so we're looking for recovery mode. Okay, now I've passed it, but that's okay, because I can just scroll all the way and it's going to start the menu again, and now we have recovery mode. Okay, so to select it, press this side key, and then you should see the Google logo, and after that you'll see this dead Android. Okay, so what you want to do is now press the side key, and while holding the side key, press the volume up once. Okay, so hold the side key, volume up once, and release, and that takes us straight into recovery mode. As you can see, now inside recovery mode, scroll again using the volume rockers to scroll down, and you want to scroll until you get to wipe data slash factory reset, and then use the side key to select that, and then it's going to tell you wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Okay, but I had told you this before, so scroll using the volume down button to factory data reset, and then confirm by pressing the side key, and as you can see, that's going to start performing the factory reset, and you can see data wipe complete. So that basically means everything has been deleted from the phone. So what you want to do now is reboot system now. So make sure reboot system is selected, and then press the side key to confirm that and allow your phone to restart. Now, since we have performed a hard reset, it's going to restart to the first setup page. Okay, the first page you saw when you switched on your phone for the first time, right out of the box, is the page you're going to see. So let's wait for the boot process and see. Now, that means we're going to set up this device afresh, but we will need the Google account that was originally tied to this phone. Okay, so we'll still have to provide the Google account credentials to the Google account that was on the phone before we performed the hard reset. Okay, so let's go through the process. Let's enter the SIM pin. If you don't have a SIM pin or you don't have a SIM card, you'll not see this page. Now with the SIM unlocked, just swipe up, and as you can see, we are on the setup page. Now for some reason it's speaking in my in Swahili. I don't know why, but let's change the language. Okay, so we're going to tap on language, and I want to use English. Okay, so there you go. Then let's tap on get started. It says I have low battery. Okay, so let me plug it in. Okay, then let's continue, get started. Now, do you want to set up using another device? Skip, and then connect to Wi-Fi. And after connecting, it's going to start getting the phone ready. So like I said, it's going to ask for the pin, the one that we forgot, and that's why we are hard resetting. But since we don't remember that pin, use my Google account instead. Okay, so we're going to tap on that and then enter the Google account that was on the phone before the hard reset. And then the password, and tap on next. Well, now in case you're asked to verify, do just that. And once you verify, it's gonna allow you to continue with the setup process. Okay, now it's gonna ask, do you want to continue with this Google account? You want to sign into a different Google account? We can do all that later. So let me just tap on skip and skip. Then you have your mobile data preference. Set a pin. Let's skip that for now. You have Google services, accept, limited warranty, next. Okay. It's basically just a normal setup process. And now, as you can see, we are back into our Pixel. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Good luck.